The dir keyword, it's great, right? You got a brand new module that you're bringing in. Perhaps it's one that's built into the system, such as math, or maybe it's a module that you've downloaded from some online resource, and now you're importing it into your project, and you want to learn a little bit more about it. What does that module contain? Use the dir keyword, just like we just saw. Now, beyond that, there's another keyword, another method that we can use here to give us a little bit more help. Now, remember, you can always go out to python.org, go out to your favorite search engine, and go search for it as well, right? You gotta love the internet, gotta love Google. Loads of information out there. Now, you can also, here within your Python interpreter, and again, I'm using shell, you can output some help using the help method that's built into Python. You can use this help method to give you a little bit more information about specific functions within the module. Take a look. So let's see, let's grab POW. So we got POW inside there. We know that that's one of the functions of the math module. Now, what does POW mean? What does it do? What do I need to do in order to use it? Does it need additional information, or do I just say POW? Right? Well, what is it that's needed here? I need a little bit more help. Or maybe I need to know more about the remainder function that's part of the math module. Well, in order to do this, I'll bring in the help method. I'm going to open up parentheses there. And I'm going to say math. Remember, I already imported it. I brought in the math module. Math.pow. I'll close that parentheses. This help method is now going to output some help about that specific function within the math module. I'll hit my enter key. All right. Help on built-in function POW in the module math. It's pretty cool. All right, POW xy / it returns x asterisk asterisk x to the power of y. All right, so if we did something like this, if we said math.pow and we did 3 to the third power, 3 to the third power, right? I'll hit my enter key. All right, 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Let's try one more here. Let's see, I'm going to use help. I'm going to do math dot remainder. I mentioned that one earlier. I'll hit my enter key. All right. Difference between x and the closest integer multiple of y. And there's some more information for you. All right. There's just so much you can do with this. Help dot math dot sign. All right, returns the sign of x measured in radians. All right, math was never my strong suit. Okay, going through school, it was the class I wasn't looking forward to. Great, I picked up what I needed to know there. I'm done. Nice thing here, you've got the module that's built for you, loads of functions in there, and you can get some help out of that. Just use the help method. Try this out, read up on them. Output the attributes, the various functions that are built into that module, and then go through, kind of cherry pick the ones that you're interested in, and output the help that's built into Python.